Hi, welcome to a tutorial on OpenLM. Now we'll see how to install the OpenLM server, which needs to be installed on a central network server. It gets information from all the OpenLM brokers which are installed on the licensed servers. So all the OpenLM brokers and all the licensed servers will send information to the OpenLM server or OpenLM core product. So let's see how it's done. First of all you need to do is go to the OpenLM website, click on Downloads, and click here, Download OpenLM for free. Now it will start the download process. Once it's done, simply double-click the installer to start installing. We'll simply click Next, agree to the terms, Next, select where we want it installed, Next and Next again. Now it will take anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes to install OpenLM server. Now that this installation is over, you'll be presented with this screen. So you can start evaluation or try Lite. If you want to try Lite, then just click it and you'll get the OpenLM Lite. But if you want the evaluation version, or you have an enterprise or any other paid version, click Start Evaluation now. And then you can either register your details and get a license. Now, this means that the installer has to be connected to the internet. It needs to be on a machine that's connected to the internet. If you cannot do that, so you can ask sales for a license. Just send an email to sales@openlm.com. Then you check the box, I have an OpenLM license file, choose a file, and then I just simply choose the file that sales sent me. So I'll choose that, click Next, and once it's done, it will incorporate the license file into the OpenLM server installation, and you won't need to do anything else. So that's it. Now it's done. You can either start configuring the server or go install the OpenLM brokers on the licensed servers. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.